Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my
Y'all, it's your boy LSHit254, man, tuning in for another one. As you can see from the footage, you know what I'm saying, we walked into Best Buy. I did not record anything while I was in there. I kind of just went in there on some get in, get out type shit. HP Tuner laptop has been giving me issues. I've been talking about upgrading, doing this, upgrading, doing that, upgrading, doing this. And so what I did, or what I decided to do, is I'm gonna just buy another computer. It doesn't have to be a super duper high end one. However, cause like I said, the main purpose of the computer is to run HP tuners. You know what I'm saying? To be able to browse on the internet and all that stuff and then not to lag, whatever, is awesome. This computer also has Bluetooth, which me and Cortez found out the other day that mine did not. So now I can't, before I could not sit in the shade and connect my computer to the thing. I could not sit in the shade and connect connect via Bluetooth to the HP Tuner reader to read. You know what I'm saying? To monitor the scan or whatever. I only could do it through the cable. So now, with this new computer having the Bluetooth capability, you know what I'm saying? Shit, we can be in the shade or wherever. You don't have, you know, it's just one more thing that makes it wireless, and that's a plus. That's a plus. As y'all know, I'd already bought one computer off a laptop. The last laptop came off of Marketplace. I kind of took my wife's advice on this one, and I did not go back down that road with Marketplace. Of course, everybody gonna tell you, oh no, it works fine, etc., etc., etc. But being that, you know, we already bought one, so like if I bought another one and then it didn't do what I need to do, and then I had to eventually buy another one, then by that time we bought like 3 fucking computers. Know what I'm saying? Or across 3 computers we've bought, know what I'm saying? Across 3 computers we bought one brand new one. So like I said, real basic, don't have to be nothing, you know, extravagant. I believe it should. With the specs, like, it's a little bit, the gigahertz is a little bit more than the other one. I did kind of want to step it up to a mid-grade chip, but at the same time, I had to remember this is just for HP tuners and shit. So at this point, I'm probably about, I didn't want to pay 2 or 3 times HP tuners on a fucking laptop that I'm using to run it. So what I went ahead and did, I grabbed that one, $329 at Best Buy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody watching. Y'all made this possible. When you watch the videos and stuff, man, the revenue roll in, and you know, I'm able to make little upgrades like this. I haven't done an upgrade for a while. But this will be like the second thing that, you know, YouTube kind of paid off with. So I mean, it was a lot put, I mean, don't get me wrong, there was a lot put into making that content and to get to them views or whatever, man. But as the channel grows, man, everything is on the up and up. So I'm gonna get home, get this thing plugged in, get HP tuners installed, and then go from there. Bro, I just cut that fan off so that y'all can hear me and shit. So this is a new little laptop. I spared y'all the switching everything over and everything like that. So it does seem to be a lot more responsive, a lot quicker, but this is gonna be the test. So I got my HP tuner unit. Just gonna plug that in there like that. turn the car on or the truck. I think he told me you just hit the Bluetooth button. And we'll go over here to the connect to vehicle. Probably gonna have to add it. So Bluetooth, you gotta add your device, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Add it to Bluetooth, for shit up, HP tuner or something, I don't know what it would pop up as, should pop up as, but let's see. What change to tell me if you push it and hold it, or let's see what we got. I guess this is like everybody's computers around. Alright, so if you hold that button down, it'll start flashing blue. Look over here. HP tuners, MPVI2. I knew it wasn't no fucking rocket science. Bluetooth is a very simple. Bluetooth is a very simple damn thing, man. So we're gonna connect to the vehicle. Y'all some reading. Alright, so now as you can see, it's reading, getting all the codes, data, whatever it needs, connected by Bluetooth. So go ahead and start scanning. And we now have data. We got data, people. We got long term, we got short term field trims. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all that. So on them new O2 sensors that we got, so we good to go there. But since I gotta go to work, I'm gonna take the scanner with me, man, and try the Bluetooth in the truck. Hold on. Two reader for the RAM is right here. No wire to the OBD2 or to the HP tuner. We got it connected. You see right there. 2017 RAM, 5 But we back, 2017 Ram. It's tracking. We only got short term, long term, temperature. So we're gonna watch this and log, man. We're finna go get something to eat. Come bring it back on. Alright, so as you can see, pretty much when I was driving, intake temperature was like 97. Now that I'm in the driveway, it's kind of heated up to 113. I guess you can kind of say that's normal, I'm guessing. Being that it's doing it on this truck, then I guess I wouldn't really worry about it. I think the highest that my manifold pressure got was like 90, 95, something like that. Top speed was like that. Highest RPM was like almost up to 4,000. Yeah, interesting little run. Spark breathes hard. So I guess it didn't hit or populate any cells. I haven't set it up like all the graphs of this stuff up here. As you can see, I'm missing some PIDs there, but this was just to show that I'm logging without using the cable, and it's just Bluetooth to the computer anyway. So yeah, man, the future of tuning is here. Guess it's time to go ahead and start that little LS7 Rod 254 flashes and shit. Anyway, man, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice. Choose wisely and prior to your procrastination. Gone.